In this video, I'm going to show you how to invest in the Shiden Crowdloan. Make sure the website address is correct. Make sure it's polkadot.js.org apps/explorer. Then click on the network tab and click on parachains. After that, you need to click on the crowdloan tab. Alright, now look for Shiden. You'll see Shiden over there and then click on contribute. In the contribution field, you need to enter the amount of KSM you want to contribute to this crowdloan. Make sure you have already installed the polkadot.js extension. If you haven't installed it yet, I'll leave a link to my video tutorial over here. So make sure to check that out if you haven't installed it yet. If you have installed it, you should see your wallet appearing in the contribute from field. Then enter the amount of KSM you want to contribute. Click on contribute. Leave everything as it is and click on sign and submit. Then you'll receive this pop-up. You need to enter the password for your Polkadot wallet. After you're done with that, click on sign the transaction and it's done. You should see this notification that indicates that you have successfully contributed to this project. Also, you will be able to see a my contributions option right over here, this one. That also means that you have completed the crowdloan. That's all there is to it. It's really simple. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button. It really helps a lot, and consider subscribing if you want more content like this. This is Louis from Crypto Hike signing out.